In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your video settings in a Microsoft Teams meeting to enhance your virtual meeting experience. These steps will guide you on customizing your video background, ensuring you're always camera ready with the best virtual backdrop you can choose. Let's start by joining your Teams meeting. Simply open up your Teams app and select the meeting you're about to join. Once you're in, you'll notice the usual meeting interface with the familiar camera icon. Right beside it is a drop-down menu. This is where you need to click. This drop-down is essentially your gateway to a variety of video adjustments you'll be able to make. Once you click on the drop-down beside the camera icon, look for the option that says More Video Effects and Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you have access to a range of effects and settings that can make your video output more interesting and professional. Whether you're working from your bedroom or a bustling cafe, these settings help you control how you're viewed on the other end. Now let's move over to the section where you can choose your background. With remote work becoming more prevalent, you might not always be in the ideal location for a video call. Hence, Microsoft Teams offers several virtual backgrounds to simulate a more office-like environment. This section allows you to pick the background that suits your mood, the meeting, or just something that reflects your personality better. After you've browsed and found a background you like, it's time to see it in action. You'll want to click on Preview. This handy feature shows you exactly how the background will look behind you during a live call. It's a great quick-check tool that ensures you're comfortable with your choice and that nothing appears too distracting or out of place. If the preview meets your expectations, it's time to go live with your setting. Simply click on Apply and turn on Video. This will set your newly chosen background as the default for your current call, and voila! You're all set to tackle the meeting with a fresh, professional look. That's all there is to it. Customizing your video settings in Teams is straightforward and can significantly impact your virtual presence. Whether for an important meeting or a casual catch-up, these simple steps ensure you're always ready to present your best self digitally. Thank you for watching, and may all your virtual meetings be as productive and enjoyable as possible.